Ngarang All India Mahila Congress Committee President Antoinette D'Souza Luchingba team ama Imphal de Laktuna Manipur ki Governor Anusuya Uike ga Rasbhavan da unaduna State asida hauzik thokle bairang asigi Matangda Wari Sakhre team asina Governor ko unabada party asigi luchingbi nipana saruyaki makoi adudi President Antoinette D'Souza Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki Vice President Loitongbam Tilotama Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee ki President M Sarma Devi Assam Pradesh Congress Committee ki President Mira Borthakur Gosami, Aimcc ki General Secretary D. Sima Sadika, Manipur ki Hanagi Minister A.K. Mirabai, Assam ki Hanagi Minister Pranati Fukan amasung Assam Pradesh Congress Committee ki Spokesperson Vernal Fukani. Team aduna Governor da achamba khudol piduna ikai khumnaba utki, unaba aduda Aimcc ki maiketigi Manipur da thokliba tha ahum fazilakadoraba, Kangluf anigi irang asi athuba matamda loshinaba amadi, State asida nupi singbu safa hannaba thaurang lokatnaba, State Government amadi Center ki maiketigi mathau taba thabak sing lokatnaba, haizaba memorandum ama pisinki, Governor ka unaraba matungda Rasbhavan dagi thorakpada, Rasbhavan ki gate da hana ngaiduna leriba paumi singda wangangbada, Aimcc ki President Antoinette D'Souza hai, Manipur da thokliba irang asida nupi singi safety ki damakta aset pa thaurang lokatnaba haizaki.
All the women of India feel about the situation, especially after we saw the viral video. After we have come to also know that has made an open statement saying that there may be more than 100 such cases. She has heard us, she has been very graceful and has ensured us. She will try her best to ensure that the women be safe in Manipur. Our prior reason for meeting the Honorable Governor was to ensure the safety of women in Manipur. We do not want any woman, be it from any caste, any community, any part, being harassed, being molested, and we do not want any violence against women. The Honorable Governor has also heard our request. They have asked her to get a list of all the FIRs that are registered in the state of Manipur where there is a violence against women.